everyone, and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha, and today we'll be making flower string art, and I'll show you mine as an example. See, it's even 3D. Alright friends, in your kit you will find a styrofoam round 6 inches in diameter. You will also find 17 white panel nails. You will find 4 feet of green yarn or string and 5 feet of yarn in another color. So this could be orange, red, purple. And lastly, we will need scissors. However, that will not be in your kit, but most people have at home. So go ahead and grab your scissors and we'll get started. Okay friends, so we will start putting in our panel nails into our styrofoam. Now the yarn will go around these nails and create our image. Now I've put my example right next to it as a guide. So go ahead and put your first nail in. That'll be this nail at the bottom, which carries both of the leaves. And then we're going to continue. So we'll see another nail is over here for the leaf. Right? And we have one nearby, right? To finish off that leaf. So this will create that first leaf. And then we're going to continue to create our second leaf. That's where I am right now. So now we have the middle, bottom nail, top nail, bottom nail, top nail. So as long as you've got 2 on each side and 1 down below, you are doing great. Now go ahead, follow this nail and put it somewhere about right here. So above the top of your leaves. That'll be this one. We're going to go ahead and follow through. We're going to create the center of our flower. Now we're going to create our petals. So notice our petals, again like our leaves, have 2. 2 nails, 2 nails, 2 nails, 2 nails, 2 nails. So that's what we're going to do, 1 petal at a time. So I'm going to take 2 of my panel nails, and remember this will be the center of your flower. So we'll put out 2 here for my petals. We'll take 2 more nails. We're going to create this one right here. We're going to take 2 more nails. We're going to create this petal right here. We'll take 2 more nails again. And we have 2 of our last nails, right, for our last petal. Okay, so you'll notice lots of nails around this center of your flower, and then 2 going down and 2 off to the side. So that's generally the pattern for these nails if you're making a flower. So the next part is tying our yarn on, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, for this next part, go ahead and grab your green string or yarn, and we're going to double knot it at the bottom. That bottom nail, go ahead, tie it twice, nice and tight, and then trim the edge off. We don't need that little bit, and you're ready to go. Go ahead and create your leaves by wrapping it around the nails that are designated for the leaves. Now you're ready to do the stem. Just go ahead, bring it up, wrap it around. Go ahead, bring it up, wrap it around, and then come on down, and then we'll tie it one last time. shut so it doesn't come apart. Make sure when you're tying it, it's around the nail. There we go. And then trim that little bit that's left over. And you've got your leaves and stems. Now for your flower, go ahead and take your colored yarn and double knot it on that center nail. So go ahead and go around and tie that twice, just like you did with the green on this nail. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and trim the excess off. And you are going to use the colored yarn to wrap around your petal and come back to the center. So go ahead and do that to all your petals. Wrap around, come back to center, wrap around, come back to center, wrap around, come back to center. And we're going to do that one more time, but go ahead and push the yarn to the bottom. In the center you might see some, it's pretty halfway up maybe to that nail, so go ahead and push it down, and we'll do one more time. And we'll wrap again our petal, next petal, next petal, come back to center, next petal, come back to center, next petal, come back to center. So now you have all your petals done, and you are going to again tie around that end of your yarn with that middle nail. So make sure you tie it shut, and we're going to put that knot around that nail, pull it tight, and close it. That way it doesn't come apart. And you want to trim that last bit of colored yarn or string that's in your kit. And you are all done with your flower string art. Have fun hanging those, putting those up, maybe taking out the nails and doing it again, but making something else. That's up to you.
Did you know flowering plants form the biggest group of plants, from the daisy to the oak tree? They vary enormously in shape, size, and color.